Today I've got the most trending edit tutorial for you. Yes, you heard it right, the Salesman edit. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do AE-like face tracking and create smooth zoom shake edits just using this app. So want this? If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and like the video for more amazing content in the future. At first, we are going to do face tracking, so follow my steps and do exact like me. Now zoom the timeline as maximum possible and adjust the circle like this. Make sure the face is always inside this circle, and now start adding keyframes one by one. If there is no movement on face, you still have to add keyframes. You can see the difference. To make it more smooth, we're going to increase its frame. To do that, come to Motion Ninja and click on Frame Doubler. Now select that video and double the frame. Now come to CapCut and add that tracked video with all clips. Now match the clips with beats. As you know, multiple export can decrease your video quality, so for that we're going to adjust video. Now add motion blur to the tracked video for more smoothness. Now it's much smoother than before. Now we're gonna add zooms to clips, add keyframes to first clip, and zoom at 50%. Use this graph for first clip. Now for rest clips, add key and zoom the scale up to 100%. Make sure you always put the character in center when it's outside. Apply this graph for rest of clips. Do same with all. Now, after adding all zoom in, zoom out, it looks like this. Next step is adding shake, so go along with me. Copy these steps with all. add this overlay for flickers. It's done.